Go ahead, Will.
So have you seen these?
No.
It's a Reddit post and got a lot of views. It's called a Kangina?
Okay.
And it originated from Afghanistan. What it looks like is like a little clay pocket, like a little circle.
They look like disc.
What it's supposed to do is actually preserve, specifically in this case, grapes. So without refrigeration,
So no air can get in.
yes,
That's
they
key.
would flatten out these like clay circles and put the grape in, and then like cover it with another circle. And over time, I think it says 6 months, these grapes can be still be fresh.
Wow. So it's like two plates. They're putting two plates together.
Yeah,
They're
essentially.
clay. It's made out of clay.
It's made out of clay.
Preservation.
And there it is. Yeah.
Wow.
Old school preservation. No air, no problem. It's the air's causing all your problems.
Yeah. No
Mo.
moisture.
Well, it also must be cooler in there than it is outside.
I think it might be a little bit cooler in there.
Yeah.
Shout out Jesse. He said that I'm the new Wolf Blitzer. Do you know who that is?
Yeah. CNN.
What a name.
Yeah.
How can
Amazing
I
name.
possibly live up to that?
So cool.
Wolf Blitzer. Yeah, I love this stuff. Well,
Yeah.
once you go fully off grid with your Bronco, you're gonna need these techniques.
Just load it up with these clay pots things, and then just have grapes.
All your groceries are just preserved forever.
Very cool.
You're not gonna have a fridge off grid there. I don't know. Maybe you get some solar going. You figure it out. Those grapes look delicious somehow.
Yeah.
Just don't let your dogs eat them.
No.
That'll. Did you guys ever have it happen? The dog with the grape, or no?
No.
You never had
I
to
don't
have it.
think so.
I had the extracted, the one grape. I'm like, really? The one grape? They're like, we got to get it out. I was like, all right.